Hi! Today I will be doing my highly requested curly fro tutorial. To get started, you use one of your favorite leave-ins that is very moisturizing and good for detangling your hair. For achieving my fro, I always flat twist. You really want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled. I always style my hair when my hair is damp because I notice I get the best styles out of it. So now I'm beginning twisting, and with flat twisting, the best tip is you want to twist to your scalp. So as you go as you are under, you want to grab a little bit more of hair and continue twisting down. To secure the twist, I take a small tooth comb and detangle my hair again, and then I take a little bit more leave-in conditioner and coil my hair. Your parts do not have to be perfect when twisting your hair because once you unravel it, you do want a fro where you do not want to see the parts that you made. Now, in the front, it is crucial you flat twist towards your face, forward, not backwards, because that means when you unravel your hair, the style will be backwards instead of forwards, and a fro is all around. This is how my hair looks after I'm done twisting. To preserve my hair, I put a bonnet on my head. To unravel the twist, you go in the opposite direction. After unraveling the twist, you separate to your liking, and I like to fluff my roots a little bit, but I don't fluff all the way because you want to keep your fro defined so it lasts throughout the week. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!